Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the Zafiro not dark gray theme for icons on our Debian Trixie Gnome desktop. So this is the theme. This is how the icons will look when we get it installed on our system. You have to just download this. Just a moment. We'll just go back. You have to use the download button here, given here. You can read the description, change logs, ratings and reviews for the icon theme here. And once you are satisfied with what you will get with the icon theme, you have to download it. You have to download the zip file, and the zip file will land here in the downloads folder. You have to extract it. Then the extracted folder you have to copy paste inside the icon folder here. So .icon folder, it is not there by default. You have to create it, and while you will create, first you have to tick here show hidden files, otherwise the hidden files by default remain hidden on your newly installed system. You have to unhide those .icon files or dot files of your system, and then you have to copy paste here. So here you can see I have already copy pasted here the Zafiro not dark gray theme, icon theme. Now what you have to do is you have to open the Gnome Tricks. In Gnome Tricks you have to go here and select the Zafiro. Where is the gray? Yes, Zafiro gray. That is done. So it doesn't support the legacy application, nor it supports the cursor also. So this is done. And since this is dark gray, what you have to do is you have to open the system settings and you have to use the dark style or the dark setting for your desktop. That is done. Now you can check out the beauty of this icon set, whether it suits the dark theme. Yes, looks very nice, very subdued colors. You can see here, this is how the system utilities will look, system applications look, and overall the different user applications are looking very subdued colors. It's all grayish color, and you can check out how it looks totally. The system looks totally with the wallpaper, so it is suiting the wallpapers also. So that's it. We have checked 4-5 themes up to now, and we will continue with a few more themes. Once that is completed, every now and then whenever I get sight of newer and good looking icon themes, I will share with you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.